Okay, let's dive into one of the hottest topics in tax world, deduction. I get it. Everyone wants to know, can I deduct this? Can I deduct that? How much can I write off? It's like a treasure hunt for savings, right? But hold on. Before you start throwing every expense onto your tax return, let's get clear on what actually qualify as a deduction. So here are the two magic questions. I got a simple two-step process to help you figure it out if something is deductible. The first is the employee test. Imagine you have an employee and they hand you a receipt. Let's say it's for dry cleaning. Now ask yourself, if I were their boss, would I reimburse them for this? If the answer is no, then most likely it's not a business expense or deduction. Dry cleaning for your personal clothing? Nope, not a business expense. If you bring a receipt and your answer is yes, then move on to the second question, the reimbursement test. Okay, so you would reimburse the employee for that dry cleaning. Now ask yourself, how much would I reimburse them? 100% reimbursement? If it will cover the whole cost, then the entire expense is likely a business deduction. Maybe they had to get a suit cleaned for an important client meeting. Partial reimbursement? Let's say you would only reimburse 50% of that receipt because they also wear the suit outside of work. In that case, only 50% of the expense is a business deduction. Okay, so let's get specifics on common deductions. Let's apply this to some of the common areas. The first one is auto. Using your car for business, you bet there are deductions, but think it like an employee test. Driving to your regular workplace, that's personal, commute. Driving to meet a client or visit a job site, that's business. And keep track of your mileage. Those miles will add up. Second one is cell phone. In today's world, a cell phone is practically a business essential. But again, it's likely not 100% business use. Think about how much you use it for personal calls, texts, and cat videos. That percentage is personal. The rest could be deductible. Home office. Working from home, you might be able to deduct expenses related to your home office expense, but has to be dedicated space used exclusively for business. Your kitchen table that doubles as your workspace, probably not going to fly. A separate room with a desk and an office supplies, you're on the right track. Okay, so keep good records. Always, 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 always keep detailed records, receipts, mileage logs, expense reports. The more organized you are, the smoother your tax preparation will be. Rules can change. The tax law are constantly evolving, so stay updated on the latest rules and regulations. When in doubt, ask. If you are unsure about a deduction, don't guess. Reach out to a tax professional for guidance. It's always better to be safe than sorry. With these two magic questions and a bit of common sense, you will be well on your way to maximizing your deductions and minimizing your tax bill.